Welcome back, YouTube. It's Brother Clyde from Brother Clyde Outdoors, and today we got a pretty interesting video where we're going camping, solo, overnight, by myself. I mean, it's just one night, but anything can happen, right? I could get kidnapped, a tornado could come by and pick me up and throw me into, I don't know, somewhere, far away. But I got my road dog. Y'all probably see him in the back already. Y'all, Bruno and Rosa. The young dog do this right here. He's just sitting in the front like he's driving. He just nosing, huh? He just nosing. So just stick around. Stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned. We're gonna see if I survive or not.
What they say, yeah. Hear it all when they talk about me. What they say, yeah. I don't care now, I'ma do me. What they say, yeah. Loud and clear, yeah. What they say, yeah.
See, the water is so high here that they actually block off the day use area.
Stay in the cup, won't see me ball, cause I'm low-key, and they think they know me. Like a 30-30, try to dig in this OD. I just let them type what they type, they don't own me. Everything is earned around here, you don't owe me. What they say, yeah. Hear it all when they talk about me. What they say, yeah. I don't care now, I'ma do me. What they say, yeah. Loud and clear, yeah. What they say, yeah. I don't care now, I'ma do things. With my blue jeans in the pocket, like they Drew Brees. Talking who's who, they like who's me. Grass is green, it just depend on how the view seems. I don't do teams, I review teams. I'm gonna do team, when you play for two teams. We not the same, no, we in two leagues. Take one loss, start looking for new teams. Let me say,
I got like a basic, it's a 6-person tent. I had it for a long time. I haven't been camping in a while. First time in like 3 years. First time in like 10 years, almost 10 years, I used this particular tent. I know it's a 6-person tent, which is too big for what I got going on, but first thing first though is let's get this fire started. And I already got some firewood here. So thank y'all, whoever left it. I don't gotta go out there and get it myself. This one's just take a little bit of this right here. It's super flammable. Like last time I used it, it worked really, really well. See some fire starter. I put my my little accelerant thing right here. It's on the fire for now. And just take the jacket edge right here and just strike it like that. Wish I would have some paper or dry leaves or something. Which I'm pretty sure I got some in the truck. Let me go check. Make sure. Let me put my wood. Well, that's going. So the tent should come up with like 2 long poles like this right here. 2 long poles. what you do is find this slot at the top, and it run like software, so they hear a set. You can slide, move from one end to the other. Slide it. And that stretchable thing is something else. Just by the other side over there. Pressure. Really have like more than one person here, but by myself today. I got my two little broke best friends here. Bruno, the fun. Got Rosa. One I think she's human. Brenda. Put them on that pole. One off. I mean, they don't want off anyway, just in case. I can actually take off the leash and everything. They'll stay around this area. Then they're like unbelievably loyal. The beer brocks and baked potatoes. I'm gonna show you how we cook it. Good one. Really come in handy. The collapsible dog bowl we got from Amazon. While we waiting on the food to get done, I just put the cover up over the tent so to keep out the light. Let me show y'all mi casa real fast. So y'all MTV cribs or YouTube cribs or however you want to put it. So stepping into my house. Let me show you how I'm living. You see this right here? In my sleeping pad, my sleeping bag, which I shouldn't need, but for extra cushion, that can be extra cushion right there, man. It's already hot. I don't need that hot stuff. I need to clean this area up. I had to take out the sleeping bag and all that stuff, pots and pans. This is my inflatable pillow. I inflate that in a little bit, and then look at it. I told you, man, shit clingy. Look. Shit, where you go? Don't go too far. She clinging, man. She clinging. That's my baby, though. All right, food is done, y'all. Let's see what we got. All these nice utensils set. Whole lot of ash. In there. Well, it's definitely heavy duty before. I can barely. Look at that. Crispy, almost burnt skin, but inside. Look at that. That's delicious. Hot. Really hot. But, look on this bad boy. Oh yeah, beer brocks. Need my butter and my salt. I like to eat my baked potatoes. I'm about to chow down. I'll see y'all later. Look at him. Act like he's dead. See? What I'm saying with the clothes off? I can't see it. If I talk to the flash, I can see it. Good morning, YouTube. I think overall last night it was okay, pretty decent. Didn't get much sleep last night, as expected. I don't think neither did the dogs, but I think they did good overall. I know one thing, these mosquitoes are well fed, because I'm all bumped up, lumped up and everything. They feasted on me all night last night, so they don't have to worry about eating it anytime soon. But now, it's time for the hygiene, cook some breakfast, tear down this tent, and I'm going home. Pack up, go home. Talk to y'all later. Look at this, crazy. This is my sleeping bag. Got my sleeping bag. Look at them. There they were all last night. All up on there. It was already hot when I had these two. See that? Got my sleeping bag. Get on down. It's been fun, y'all, but they get this thing broken down, packed up, and head on out of there.